Hi guys, it's Sarah from Sony UK's digital imaging team. Today we'll be going through the S&Q settings in the Sony Alpha cameras. One of the questions I get asked quite often about is, what is S&Q? Well, S&Q stands for slow and quick motion video. Internally in the Sony cameras, you're able to film hyperlapse video at 1 frame per second or slow motion at 120 frames per second to create some fantastic footage. And being a hybrid shooter myself, taking stills as well as video, I use this feature rather often. I've got into the habit when photographing stills, I'll always try and capture a little bit of video of my subject, and the ability to capture internally at slow motion allows me to capture subjects the way that we normally don't get to see them. Now let's have a wee look at a couple of examples of slow motion as well as hyperlapse videos. Now, let's see how we can set up S&Q on the camera. Firstly, turn the mode dial to S&Q. This will tell the camera that we want to do slow motion video. Secondly, we can make certain adjustments to the kind of video we want, and to do this we have to go to the menu. So press menu, second camera icon at the top, and then to S&Q settings. When in there, we're able to adjust the exposure mode that S&Q setting will use, as well as our frame rate from 120 frames per second in NTSC down to 1 frame per second for hyperlapse. There is also a more advanced way that we can achieve slow motion video. However, this does require some post-production editing, but in the setting we would have to choose 120p in the record settings of the camera and then slow the footage down in post-production to get the same effect. So the S&Q setting is a great way to capture creative, slow or quick motion video to enhance your videography with ease. Hope you guys have found this video useful and enjoy your Sony Alpha camera for many years to come. Thanks for watching.